Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So are you looking for a great bag for when you're traveling? Maybe you are going camping, or maybe you're just going to the gym and you want to be able to store everything. I have the perfect product for you. So this is a really nice duffel bag setup. This was sent over by a company called Tolaccea, and this is their U02 duffel bag model here. You're gonna get everything you need once you open it up. It does have this cool little instruction booklet here that kind of shows you all the various pockets and details. It's just kind of nice to flip through. But as you can see, here is the duffel bag. It is a really nice size. It holds a maximum of 55 liters worth of clothing, and it has a ton of pockets and pouches that's gonna get everything you need stored, which is great, whether you're, like I said, you're going camping or just working out at the gym. So before I go into the bag itself, you're gonna have multiple ways to carry this. You're gonna have the little strap that you can carry it via the top handle. It also does include a nice little shoulder strap that you can clip to the sides if you wish. Go ahead and unzip and convert it into a backpack. I literally like the fact that this goes ahead and kind of hides when you're not utilizing it. So if you are going hiking or camping or whatnot, and you're going to hike to your campsite, this is really nice because you can just simply strap this on your back. It has the little reflectors and everything to help you at night. It even has a safety whistle built into the strap. And then if you don't want to use it, they just slide into this little pouch here in the top part, zips it up and hides. Obviously, if you're using the straps, then you got yourself another nice little pouch. Now, in addition to this, you're also gonna get a nice little laptop bag. So if you are traveling and you need to bring your laptop, this is just a nice padded, cushioned little bag here. It's completely removable. It's gonna fit kind of laptop sizes up to 15.5 inches kind of wide, if you will. But it's just a nice little bag you can choose to use or not use. But let's go over the duffel bag. So first off, I have kind of the little, what I'll say, beige one here. It's gonna come in a lot of different colors. You can get the just standard black, or you can get a lot of the different colors. On the underside, it's got this nice little lattice work here, once again, with a little pull string. This is great for just throwing quick stuff on here. If you have a pair of shoes you wanna put outside, or just like a towel or something like that, it's very, very convenient to slide in. Now, on the one side, you're gonna have a nice little mesh pouch. Once again, you can just throw little things in it, your phone, your keys, whatnot. While you are kind of working out. You're also gonna have another zipper pouch that you can easily throw snacks or Kindle, headphones, whatnot, if you're bringing this, for example, on an airplane. It does fit, just so you know, it can go in the overhead compartments on an airplane, so it's good to go for that. Now, it's too big to sit under your seat unless it's not full and you kind of push it down, but it can easily be a carry-on bag if you are traveling. On the other side, where the little lane is, you're gonna have another little pouch here. This is actually the one I recommend for your keys because it includes this little lanyard here, which is nice. So you can just clip it here and you can easily find them. And then it's got two pouches and two little pen pouches in here. So once again, plenty of room to grab snacks and whatnot. Now, on the one side, you're gonna have essentially your shoe pouch. Now, this is completely optional if you wish to utilize this. It's kind of like a little isolation chamber, if you will. You can also put your dirty clothes in here. The disadvantage of this is, as you're utilizing its nice, huge, deep pouch, but it does take space out of the main pouch. So it's a good way to, like, divide it. So if you're going, for example, on a trip and you have all your clean clothes, maybe you're switching hotels, you can put your dirty clothes in here so that way they stay separated and you're still using that same space. So just note, if you're using this pouch, it is using the main pouch as well, but very, very useful as keeping your stuff separated. And then on the other side is kind of what I would say the main pouch is for your wet items. So if you're going to the gym, you get all sweaty, and you just don't want to mix that up, you can throw them in here. It's got the nice little aluminum kind of coating here to help with odors. It also has on the side a little breathe hole, so that way moisture can vent out, and then it has a nice little mesh bag as well. If you are traveling, it's a great pouch for your toiletries. In front of that, you have another small little pouch, once again, great for snacks and various things. And then you have a name placket, so if you are going your kids are going to camp or something like that, you can easily put their name here so that way it's easy to identify whose bag is who. Now, as far as the top part, that is your main pouch. That is what's gonna have the 55 liters worth of storage. This thing can hold a ton, which is super, super nice. So it is a nice, wide, large opening. As you can see, you can easily stack everything you need in there. I like to use those little packing cubes, so you kind of just easy to put in your various things, your shorts, your pants, your underwear, etc., and then you just grab them as you need to. But it's a nice large opening. And then on either side of the opening, you're gonna have another smaller pouches that you can kind of tuck things in as well. So you got tons of storage with this thing, which is one of the nice features I love about it. Now on the top part, once again, you have 2 mesh pouches, which is once again easy to store toiletries and whatnot. But overall, like I said, it's a really nice duffel bag. It's got a compartment for everything that you could possibly need, from your wet clothes to your dirty clothes to your brand new kind of clothes that haven't been worn yet. And it's overall, it's a great size. To give you an idea of the size, it is about 12.5 inches wide. It's about 11 inches in depth and about 25.5 inches tall. Now, that's if you have it kind of in your backpack mode. So if you have it in the duffel bag, this is the width of it is the 25.5 inches. But overall, if you are looking for a great duffel bag, like I said, for camping, going on trips, just maybe going to the gym, maybe for your kids' summer camps, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.